students, this is the video about tenses. Tense means काल. It shows the time. कोई भी काम कौन सी टाइम में हो रहे वो बताते हैं. Tenses are divided into 3 types. Which are they? Do you know? Present tense, past tense and future tense. Present tense means वर्तमान काल. Past tense means भूतकाल. Future tense means भविष्य काल. All these 3 tenses are divided into 4 parts. In the present tense we can see simple present, present continuous, present perfect continuous. In the past tense we can see simple past, past continuous, past perfect and past perfect continuous. In the future tense we can see simple future, future continuous, future perfect and future perfect continuous. So dear students, in this video we will see present tense. In the present tense we can see the 4 parts: simple present, present continuous, present perfect and present perfect continuous. We will see the first one, simple present. Simple present tense used to indicate or used to talk about the facts or habits, things that are always true or general fact or general truth. हमारी आदत और डेली रूटीन के बारे में बताते हैं. For example, I live in Madhya Pradesh. I like apple pie. He drives fast. The sun rises in the east. Time passes quickly. I always speak truth. All these examples are the general fact or general truth or things that don't change, or it's a habitual action or daily routine. So in simple present tense we use the base form or the first form of the verb V1. One of the main thing we have to remember that in simple present tense, when the third person singular comes as the subject, the verb takes yes or es form. When the third person singular comes as the subject, the verbs take S or ES form of the verb. With other subjects, that means with plural subjects, we use base form or we call first form of the verb. But with the third person singular, we use yes form of the verbs. For example, I play, we play, they play, he plays, she plays. Dear students, do you remember which are the first person, second person, third person? First person singular I, first person plural we, second person singular you, second person plural you, third person singular he, she, it or any name, third person plural they. You have to remember that. Dear students, you can see some more examples. I play or I was. You play or you watch. He plays or he watches. He plays. She watches. It plays or it watches. We play or we watch. You play, you watch. They play, they watch. This is the affirmative sentence. That means positive sentence. I play football. You play football. We play football. They play football. He plays football. She plays football. It plays football. Sham plays football. In affirmative sentence, there should be subject, first form of the verb and object. So you have to remember one thing. If the subject is the third person singular, in that case you have the verb takes the yes form of the verb. That means he plays, she plays, it plays, Sham plays. Next we can see the negative sentence in simple present tense. In negative sentence, we start with the subject followed by do not or does not, then the base form of the verb, then object. For example, I do not play football. You do not play football. We do not play football. They do not play football. He does not play football. She does not play football. These are the examples of negative sentence. Next we can see the interrogative sentence or question sentence in simple present tense. In the simple present tense, the interrogative sentence or question sentence structure is do or does, then subject, then base form of the verb, then object, then question mark. For example, do I play football? Do you play football? Do we play football? Do they play football? Does he play football? Does she play football? Dear students, with the third person singular, we use the auxiliary verb helping verb, that is does. With other all plural subject, we use do in simple present tense. See, you can see some more examples. Affirmative sentence means positive sentence. Negative sentence. Then interrogative sentence means question sentence. I wear. It is a subject here, I. Wear, that is the verb, that is the base form of the verb. I wear. What is the negative of this sentence? I do not wear. How to make the question sentence? Do I wear? Next one, you wear. Negative sentence, you don't wear. Question sentence, do you wear? Then, he wears. Third person singular, he. He wears. Negative sentence, he does not wear. Question sentence, does he wear? Third person singular, we use does. Then next one, she wears. She does not wear. Does she wear? We wear. Subject is plural, so we wear. We do not wear. Question sentence, do we wear? You wear. You don't wear. Do you wear? They wear. They do not wear. Do they wear? We have completed simple present tense. Then we will go to present continuous tense. We use present continuous tense to talk about the action which are happening at the moment. That means the action that is happening at the time of speaking. We use present continuous to talk about the actions which are happening at the moment. That means the action that is happening in the time of speaking. What is the structure of the present continuous tense? Subject, then to be form. Which are the to be forms? Am, is, are. Then ing form of the verb. Then object. For example, I am eating my lunch. So what is the structure? Subject, to be forms. To be forms means am, is, are. Am, is, are. That is a to be forms. We use am with the first person singular I. We use is with the third person singular he, she, it. We use are with third person plural, second person plural and first person plural. They are, you are, we are. Next we can see the affirmative sentence in present continuous tense. What is the structure? Subject, to be forms am, is or are. Then ing form of the verb, then object. For example, I am running, you are running, he is running, she is running, it is running, we are running. Next we can see negative sentence in present continuous tense. What is the structure? Subject, to be forms, that means is, am, are. Then not, not, not. Then ing form of the verb, then object. For example, I am not running, you are not running, he is not running, she is not running, it is not running, we are not running. All these are examples of negative sentence. We can see interrogative sentence in present continuous tense. How to ask question. First we will keep the WH question word, then is, am or are, then subject, then ing form of the verb, then object. Next is yes or no question. That means we are getting answer yes or no. For example, am I working? Are you working? Is he working? Is she working? Is it working? Are we working? Are they working? So, in these questions, we are getting answer just yes or no. So, this kind of question is known as yes or no question. See the affirmative, negative or interrogative sentences in present continuous tense. I am running, that is affirmative, that means positive sentence. Negative sentence, I am not running. Question sentence means interrogative sentence. Am I running? Then you are running. Negative, you are not running. Question sentence, are you running? He is running. Negative, he is not running. Question, is he running? Then she is running. Negative, she is not running. Question, is she running? Then positive sentence, it is running. Negative, it is not running. Interrogative, is it running? Dear students, I hope you all have understood the simple present tense and present continuous tense. Have a nice day. Thank you.